G'day, my name's Steve from SJT Earthmoving. Been around for about 6 years. 2015 we started. We're just a small family business. The current project we're working on at the moment is remediation and tank removal for Ampol, part of their refurbishment package throughout Queensland. At SJT Earthmoving we have two 5-tonne combos, all fitted with heli-tilt hitches, current 20-tonner, next-gen cat. All my gear is fitted with heli-tilt. It's just easy to use, makes our job easy. We're efficient, customers love it, our clients love them, puts us a step ahead of the competition. I can't see SJT without it, mate, to be honest. The old days of tilt buckets and twin ram, bulky tilt hitches, and these things are very compact. They're pretty well weighted. Awesome bit of kit. Every job has its task, mate. This one has been large concrete anchors, as you can see around the place, and the heli-tilt hitch with its angles and it's so diverse. It just makes a hard job easy. I don't know what I'd do without it, to be honest. I would highly recommend Attach 2, and I have done, and will continue to do so. I don't see why you wouldn't have one, mate, to be honest. Yeah, that's just my personal opinion. Been on heli-tilt hitches for many years, and it's just a win, mate. Win-win. Simple as that.